smartphone instead.
Today is Thursday, October 17th, 2024.
I'm Rocco Castro.
And I'm Lucas Saavedra, and you're watching Python TV. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Hello, Pythons. Welcome back to Throwback Thursday.
If your birthday's today, you share a birthday with Eminem.
Now, on to your important announcements.
Do you like to hang about? Did you let the cat get out?
Did you see the fish jump out?
Can you find the secret route?
Did you hear a rooster shout?
Oh, I know what they were trying to say. Do you want a birthday shout out?
That's it for today, Pythons. Remember to stay positive, be kind, and make the most out of every day.
Let's make this school year one for the books. We'll be back tomorrow with news and updates. Have a great day.
Go!